UNIMAS, there are many vending machines provided for students and the workers or staff there. You can see each college or faculty will have more than 2 vending machines. As for today, I'm going to show you the vending machine which is going to be my product that I will review on. I chose the vending machine as my product because this is the easier one that I could find at everywhere and anywhere in UNIMAS. So there are 3 types of vending machine that I'm going to show to you all. I chose the vending machine at my college, which is College Cempaka, and I will show you the differences between these 2 vending machines. First, this vending machine only provides the soft drinks and small mineral water. The price of drinks here is cheaper than the other vending machines. So, I'm going to buy the chinchao, which only costs 1 ringgit and 30 cents. For this vending, you can pay by using your Visa card with just one scanning. This suits students who are cashless. It's so easy to use. But this vending machine also accepts cash. You can choose which payment you are going to use. Next, for this vending, there are lots of types of snacks and drinks that are offered here. It is also provide Maggie cup for students who love to stay up all night and eat this noodle when they are starving. What makes this vending different than the previous one is you can pick more than one type of snack or drink you want to buy, and you can pay it all in one, rather than the first one where you only can just buy one item, and if you want to buy again you need to redo the process, which is rechoose and repair. So I'm going to buy 2 types of Apollo and pay it sekaligus dengan menggunakan cash. It's only cost 2 ringgit. I choose the cheaper price untuk elakkan pembaziran semata-mata nak review this product. I don't know whether it's berbaloi or not, but I just want to show you the differences between the 2 vending only. That's all. For the last one, I'm going to show you the vending machine which is located at my own faculty, FEB, which is Faculty of Business and Economics. Finally, that is the vending. I always use this vending as it's near my faculty and bilik belajar. So I will buy snacks here before going to class and during class. I just need to turun bawah and go to the vending to buy some items. As you can see, there are many types of payment you can use. You can just choose which one you prefer. For this time, I'm gonna buy keropok ketam, and it's only cost 1 ringgit and 40 cents for the small size one. Tempat vending ini sangat strategik sebab student yang rushing dan tak sempat nak breakfast boleh singgah vending ini sekejap untuk beli snack sebagai alas perut. So it's very convenient. You also can eat the keropok sambil jalan. Walaupun orang tua-tua cakap tak elok makan sambil jalan, tapi who cares? sambil melepak, sambil memvending, so sesuai.